हेलो चिल्ड्रन, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू। आज हम लोग हिंदी में पढ़ेंगे, सॉरी, इस हिस्ट्री में पढ़ेंगे वार्स विथ मुग़ल। ये आपका चैप्टर जो है, लास्ट चैप्टर है हिस्ट्री का। ये आपका हिस्ट्री का लास्ट चैप्टर है और आज हम लोग इसको पढ़ेंगे, वार्स विथ मुगल्स। ओके। औरंगजेब considered Shivaji a great threat. In 1663, he sent Shaista Khan to capture him. One night, Shivaji, with a few soldiers, entered the Mughal camp and wounded Shaista Khan. मतलब उनको चोट पहुंचा दिया. And he then defeated the Mughal army. A year later, he raided Surat and plundered it. You have read about this in lesson 7. Alarmed at the growing power of Shivaji, Aurangzeb sent Raja Jai Singh to the Deccan. Raja Jai Singh besieged the fort of Purandar Singh's all road blocked, and Shivaji agreed to sign a treaty. Then, as per the treaty, Shivaji agreed to accept Aurangzeb as his overlord and pay him the annual tribute. ये तो मैंने कल भी बताया था कि ट्रीटी के अकॉर्डिंग औरंगज़ेब ने डिसाइड कर लिया था कि वो ट्रीटी ऑफ शिवाजी से कि वो औरंगज़ेब को एक्सेप्ट करके उनको अपना ओवरलॉर्ड मानेंगे और उनको सारी ट्रिब्यूट उनको देंगे. To honor his word, Shivaji went to Mughal court at Agra. Aurangzeb insulted him by making him to sit with mansabdars in the low rank. Shivaji tried to leave the court but was put under house arrest. He escaped, as some sources say, by hiding in the basket filled with the sweet and fruits. Shivaji renews hostilities with the Mughals. He raided Surat again and captured the huge booty. And he also recaptured some forts surrendered earlier. Last year, in the 1674, Shivaji crowned himself king. उनको राजा बना दिया गया and he took the title छत्रपति. He died in 1680, leaving behind a powerful kingdom. अपने पीछे एक बहुत बड़ा, बहुत संपूर्ण राज्य छोड़ गया. शिवाजी administrations. Shivaji was not only a fearless soldier but also a successful administrator. बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर रहे. ही हैड अ काउंसिल ऑफ 8 मिनिस्टर्स कॉल्ड अष्टप्रधान. उनके पास 8 मिनिस्टर्स थे जिसको अष्टप्रधान बोला जाता था, जो उनको एडवाइस देते थे. द वर्ड कम्स फ्रॉम द संस्कृत टू मीन्स इन इम्पॉर्टेंट 8. और ये वर्ड कहाँ से आया? संस्कृत वर्ड से, जिसका मतलब होता है महत्वपूर्ण 8. दिस 8 मिनिस्टर्स वेर एज फॉलो: पेशवा, सेनापति, न्यायाधीश, अमात्य, पंत सचिव, सुमंता, मैत्री. ये है 8. और एक तो है धनाध्यक्षा, इंचार्ज ऑफ रिलीजियस मैटर्स. Peshwa, head of the council and in charge of general administration. Senapati, commander in chief of the administration. Nyayadhish, in charge of justice. Amatya or Mazumdar, in charge of finance. Pant Sachiv, general secretary. Sumanta, in charge of foreign affairs. Mantri, head of intelligence. And Dhanadhyaksha, in charge of religious matter. These are the 8 ministers in Shivaji's administrators. Source of revenue. अब रेवेन्यू कहाँ से आता था? द लैंड रेवेन्यू वॉज मेन सोर्स ऑफ इनकम. लैंड रेवेन्यू जो था वो मेन सोर्स ऑफ इनकम था फ्रॉम द टेरिटरीज डायरेक्टली अंडर हिम. शिवाजी कलेक्टेड 2/5 ऑफ द प्रोड्यूस एज लैंड टैक्स. जो प्रोड्यूस होता था उसका 2/5 कलेक्ट करते थे. जो प्रोड्यूस होता था उसका 2/5 कलेक्ट करते थे फ्रॉम एरियाज नॉट डायरेक्टली अंडर हिज कंट्रोल. ही कलेक्टेड 2 taxes. They were as follows: the chauth or 1/4 of the total land revenue that farmers paid to the king. Shivaji's collected this tax in return from not raiding his territories. And Sardeshmukhi was an additional 1/10 of the land revenue. It was paid to Sardeshmukhi or chief of the Marathas it wasn't tributary tax. These are the two ways to collect, two types of taxes which Shivaji's was collected in his administration. Next is military administration. Shivaji's soldiers were well trained and highly discipled. The infantry and the cavalry were the main divisions of the army, and in addition, Shivaji's controlled many forts, and special officers were appointed to take after these forts. And Shivaji's also had had to navy the guard of coast. Means his military administration was very developed, and the group was divided into two main divisions, the infantry and cavalry. Next is successors of Shivaji was followed by the weak successor in the 18th century, and in the 18th century it was followed by the weak successor. Power passed into the hands of Peshwa, and it was under that Mughal Maratha became a dominant regional ruler. Means his successors was very weak. And in the 18th century power passed into the hand of Peshwa, और फिर 18th century में जो power था वो पेशवा को पास हो गया. It was under them that the Maratha became a dominant regional power. Next is Peshwas, means he's the successors of Shivaji's. In 1713 to 61, the Peshwa controlled the Maratha Empire. In 1763, Shivaji's grandson Shahu appointed Balaji Vishwanath as his Peshwa or chief ministers. He was an able administration and helped Shahu control to Maratha chief. In course of time, the Peshwa became the real decision making power. Next is Balaji Vishwanathan. Balaji Vishwanathan took advantage of the weakness of the later Mughals of capture more territories. He forced Fuxiyar to return all the territories which okay students, this Balaji Vishwanath will discuss to my next video lecture. Till then, you up to Peshwa, you just read it. Okay students, thank you.